The Supreme Court heard oral arguments Wednesday on what could be a pivotal gun case. The court will decide whether a New York law that places strict limits on carrying guns outside the home is constitutional. The court's last major Second Amendment case came in 2008 when the court established the individual right to gun ownership. But that case only addressed the right to keep firearms in the home for self-defense while allowing restrictions to that right. The court has grown more conservative since 2008, and gun rights activists think they have a good chance at a favorable ruling. The current case centers on whether law-abiding individuals have a right to carry guns outside the home for self-defense, but without a specific reason. The case was brought by an affiliate of the National Rifle Association on behalf of two New York men who were denied permits to carry guns.
You know, we feel that the suit is, one, to bring equal justice and equal protection to the people, the gun owners of New York State. Two, to show that the Second Amendment applies outside the home and doesn't stop at your doorstep.
Laws pertaining to gun ownership and the carrying of firearms vary widely from state to state. Many states generally allow guns to be carried with no permit, training, or specific background check. Tens of thousands of Americans are killed by gun violence every year. Gun control advocates worry that if the Supreme Court sides with the plaintiffs in this case, the situation could get even worse.
If the Supreme Court gives what the NRA is looking for in this case, it could make it harder for states and cities to take action to address this public crisis.
The Supreme Court likely won't release their ruling until sometime next year. They could make a narrow ruling or a broad ruling that would likely reshape gun laws across the United States. Jim Spellman, CGTN, at the Supreme Court in Washington.